Hey folks, it's Tony from the Tech Firm. This is a backfield of my house where I do a lot of my lab stuff because guess what? There's like nothing around. So you'll see this background once in a while, and I love to replicate issues that I found. Anything from equipment to grounding, installation, all that kind of stuff. Well, this is a simple one. This one is kind of cool. The client was doing some outdoor installs, needed an enclosure, and just took a kind of an old square pail, this thing, and basically said, just put it in there, that's good enough for now. Well, as we always know in IT, good enough for now means it's going to be there forever. So I thought I'd put the same thing up here in the fall. So this is just the fall until now, and I wanted to show him that he needs a proper enclosure, and this is a great way to do it. So if I take a look here, it looks okay, but as soon as you go to grab it, it just kind of snaps, and the UV's kind of degraded this thing, and it's just kind of falling apart. So there's no substitute for using the real enclosure. So I strongly encourage you, if you have anything outside, please spend a couple of bucks. And if you do put it in temporarily, make a note, go back and put the proper enclosure in. This is going to cause all sorts of headaches in the long run. And usually water gets in and it fails on the worst possible scenario, rain, snowstorm, ice, sleet, that kind of thing. That's it, folks. Short and quick. Have a good day. Bye for now.